Hi, this is Gigabyte, and today we are proudly introducing the AORUS 17X, our brand new flagship laptop. Taking performance screen and keyboards into consideration from the viewpoint of G2 eSport pro players, AORUS 17X, the flagship model of our pro gaming series, features great performance, mechanical keyboard, and ultra-smooth high refresh rate panel. Even one of the world's best Oopers, G2 eSport Kenyans, enjoy using our AORUS 17X. First, performance. AORUS 17X features the latest Intel 10th generation core processor. There are two options, the Core i9-10980HK, and the first 8-core 16-thread, the Core i7-10875H. Compared to the previous generation, the performance of i9-10980HK is increased by 10%, and the performance of i7-10875H is also higher than the former generation i9 by 3%. As for the graphics, AORUS 17X is equipped with the latest RTX Super GPU, up to the RTX 2080 Super. Compared to the former generation, the non-super version of RTX 2080, the performance increased about 20%. And here's some game FPS data for your reference. FPS World Tournaments such as CSGO Major and PUBG World Champion in recent years have upgraded their monitor to 240Hz, and AORUS notebooks are no exception. The 240Hz high refresh rate panel on AORUS 17X comes in with 4 millisecond response time and color accuracy data E less than 1. Keyboard is one of the biggest highlights of the AORUS 17X. The mechanical keyboard shortens the travel distance to an actuation point and offers a tactile and sound feedback, significantly increasing input speed and performance, meeting the precise and rapid in-game control requirements of the pros. And thanks to the WindForce Infinity, the exclusive cooling technology, AORUS 17X achieves 100% performance and remains cool and stable at the same time. Compared to its predecessor, the AORUS X9, the thermal efficiency increased by 37%. The WindForce Infinity technology consists of 5 pipes, vapor chamber, and 2 giant fans that constantly exhausting the heat. Look, it is really fast! Even playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare for 2 hours, the temperature of chassis remains around 25 degrees. It is quite comfortable. This is AORUS 17X, designed for professional players and extreme game enthusiasts. For more information, please check the link below.